Hi, this is Jennifer with the Jen Sense Aromatherapy, and thank you for stopping by and checking out our Personal Care Holistic Aromatherapy Certification course. This is a Level 2 Professional Aromatherapy Certification course through the National Association of Holistic Aromatherapy, and we will be going into great detail of how to use aromatherapy, when to use it, why to use it for a variety of different mind-body health concerns for women, for particular women's issues, for men's issues that they have commonly, and some things that are some niche areas of health, for children, for animals, as well as for environmental cleaning. It's really important to make sure that our surroundings are as natural as possible. That way we have the best ability in supporting our own personal health. So whether you're doing this for your personal journey or to expand your business, this course is for you. We hope to see you there.